Hey modern workers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we are here to help you master the art of balancing life and work while staying super efficient. Our motto, work smart, live fully. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, tips for effective team collaboration. Whether you're an employee or a freelancer, mastering the art of collaboration can significantly boost your productivity and work-life balance. I've been working remotely for a few years now, and I've learned a lot along the way. Let's get started with some tried and true tips and a few unconventional ones that might just surprise you. First, let's cover the basics. These are the foundational tips that every team should implement for effective collaboration. Clear communication. Always ensure that your communication is clear and concise. Use tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams to keep everyone in the loop. In my experience, setting up channels for different projects and topics has really helped streamline communication. Define roles and responsibilities. Make sure everyone knows their role in the project. This avoids confusion and ensures accountability. I remember a project where we didn't define roles clearly, and it led to duplicated efforts and missed deadlines. Clear roles could have prevented that. Regular check-ins. Schedule regular meetings to discuss progress, roadblocks, and next steps. This keeps the team aligned and focused. During my time at a fully remote company, we had daily stand-ups that kept everyone on track and engaged. Use collaborative tools. Utilize tools like Trello, Asana, or Google Workspace to manage tasks and share documents efficiently. Personally, using Trello has been a game changer for tracking tasks and deadlines. Encourage feedback. Create an environment where team members feel comfortable giving and receiving feedback. This can lead to continuous improvement and innovation. I found that regular feedback sessions help build a culture of trust and openness. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's move on to some unconventional tips that can take your team collaboration to the next level. Ready for some out-of-the-box ideas? Here are some unique tips that can help your team collaborate more effectively and creatively. Silent meetings. Try holding silent meetings where communication happens through writing. This can help introverted team members express their ideas without the pressure of speaking up. I tried this with my team, and it was amazing to see the depth of thought that written communication brought out. Walking meetings. Instead of sitting in a conference room, take your meetings outside. Walking meetings can boost creativity and reduce stress, making your team more productive. Role rotation. Occasionally switch roles within the team. This helps everyone understand different perspectives and appreciate the challenges others face, fostering empathy and teamwork. At my previous job, we rotated roles for a week, and it was eye-opening to see the project from another angle. Mindfulness Sessions. Incorporate short mindfulness or meditation sessions before meetings. This can help clear the mind and improve focus, leading to more productive discussions. Collaborative storytelling. Use storytelling techniques to brainstorm and solve problems. Create a narrative around your project and let each team member contribute to the story. This can spark creativity and new ideas. Seeing is believing, right? Sometimes it's not enough to just hear about tips and tricks. We need to see them in action to truly understand their impact. So let's explore some real-world examples and case studies where these tips have been successfully implemented. These examples come from well-known companies that have mastered the art of collaboration and achieved remarkable results. By looking at how these organizations operate, we can gain valuable insights and inspiration for our own teams. Example 1, Buffer. Clear communication and role rotation. Buffer, a social media management platform, uses Slack channels dedicated to specific projects and daily stand-up meetings via Zoom to keep everyone updated. The result, a 30% increase in project completion speed. Buffer implemented role rotation every quarter. Developers took on QA roles and vice versa. This led to a deeper understanding and fewer bugs in the final product. Example 2, Hubspot. Walking meetings and mindfulness sessions. Hubspot, a leading CRM platform, encourages walking meetings for brainstorming sessions. This not only boosted creativity but also improved team bonding. They reported a 20% increase in successful campaign ideas. Before major pitches, the Hubspot team does a 5-minute mindfulness exercise. This practice reduced anxiety and improved focus, leading to more successful client presentations. Example 3, Automattic, silent meetings and collaborative storytelling. Automattic, the company behind WordPress.com, holds silent meetings once a week to discuss product design. This allowed all team members, especially the introverts, to contribute equally. The outcome was a more inclusive design process and innovative product features. During a product launch, Automattic's team used collaborative storytelling to map out customer journeys. This exercise helped identify potential pain points and solutions, resulting in a smoother launch. There you have it, modern workers. By combining these conventional and unconventional tips, along with practical examples, you can enhance your team's collaboration, boost productivity, and achieve a better work-life balance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow remote workers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks from the modern workers. We've also provided links to some of the tools we mentioned in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.